In this video, you'll learn how to generate CSS using Kimi AI. By following these steps, you will be able to create CSS code tailored to your needs efficiently. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Kimi AI website. Look for the page that features a user-friendly interface for generating CSS. Ensure that you are using an updated browser for optimal performance. Once you're on the Kimi AI homepage, locate the section labeled Prompt. This is typically situated prominently on the main screen. Click on this area to activate the input field where you will enter your command. In the prompt input field, type the phrase generate CSS for leads. This specific command instructs Kimi AI to create CSS that is relevant for lead generation purposes. Take a moment to verify that your input is correct before proceeding. After entering your command, look for the button labeled Enter. This button will usually be positioned adjacent to the input field. Click on Enter to submit your request to Kimi AI. At this point, you will need to wait for Kimi AI to process your request. A loading indicator may appear, indicating that the system is generating your CSS code. The duration of this process may vary based on server load and your internet connection speed. Once the generation is complete, the CSS code will be displayed in the designated output area. Review the generator code to ensure it meets your requirements. You can copy this code directly for use in your projects. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.